Hi friends, today I'm going to be reading aloud Animal Defenses, How Animals Protect Themselves. Introduction. What do you do when you're afraid? Do you go for help? Do you hide? Do you run away? Some animals do these things too when they're afraid, but many animals defend themselves in more unusual ways. Some animals change color to make it hard for a predator or an enemy to see them in their environment. An octopus can do this in seconds. Other animals pretend to be something they are not. An inchworm holds itself stiff to look like a stick. Some animals even have partnerships with other animals. Buffalo depend on birds to warn them of danger, and some crabs use an animal called anemone, like a sword. These are just a few strange ways in which animals defend themselves. Read on to find out more about the amazing world of animal defense. Copycats. Is being a copycat always a bad thing? Not if you're an animal. In fact, that's how many animals survive. They look and act like animals that make their predators sick. So predators stay away from both of them and their poisonous lookalikes. The Viceroy butterfly looks like a monarch butterfly, doesn't it? Birds find it hard to tell them apart too. While the Viceroy is harmless, the monarch is poisonous. Birds have learned to avoid eating both butterflies. They don't want to take a chance on getting ill by eating the wrong one. Many spiders copy ants, but it's not easy. Ants have 6 legs. Spiders have 8. Ants have antennae. Spiders don't. A spider must hold 2 legs in front of its head to look like antennae. It moves them from side to side and scurries around like an ant. Why do spiders imitate ants if they have to work so hard at it? Birds and lizards eat spiders, but they don't touch ants. They know that ants bite, sting, and sometimes spray acid. The hoverfly looks and acts like a honeybee. It drinks nectar from flowers and buzzes a warning when threatened, but the hoverfly is harmless. It has no sting. Luckily, birds don't seem to know this. They are fooled into thinking that a hoverfly is a harmful honeybee and leave it alone. Copycats. At first glance, these 2 snakes look like twins, but they're not. The king snake is harmless, while the coral snake has a venomous bite. Animals can't tell the difference between them, so they stay clear of both. How can you tell the difference? This old saying might help. If red touches yellow, avoid the fellow.